On-screen text, how to check iPhone RAM in 60 seconds. Narration. In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to see how much RAM your iPhone is using. Narration. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. On-screen annotation. A circle scribbles around the Settings icon, then a scribbled arrow points as it's tapped. Narration. Scroll down and tap General. On screen, a scribbled highlight bar appears over the General option as the user taps it. Narration. Next, tap About. This is where we'll see your iPhone's basic hardware specs, including total memory. Narration. Here, look for the model name. We'll use this to know how much RAM your phone has. On screen, a scribble circle appears around model name. Narration. For example, iPhone 13 has 4 GB of RAM, while a 13 Pro has 6 GB. Add an on-screen note. Search model name RAM to see exact spec. Narration. To see live RAM usage, we'll use a free shortcut. On-screen text. Option 2, check live RAM. Narration. Open Safari and search for iPhone RAM Shortcut Routine Hub. Tap the result that looks trustworthy. On screen, quick scribble arrows highlight the search bar and the shortcut link. Narration. On the shortcut page, tap Get Shortcut, then Add Shortcut. An animated checkmark scribbles on screen when it's added. Narration. Now open the Shortcuts app, find the new RAM shortcut, and tap it to run. On screen, a scribbled rectangle highlights the shortcut tile. Narration. After a few seconds, a pop-up shows your current RAM usage and free memory. On screen, on a simple card, we see used RAM and free RAM values clearly labeled. Narration. That's it. You've checked your iPhone's RAM, both total and live usage. On-screen text. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.